Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go over the process of making this wooden gnome that Close to My Heart came out with recently in a President's Day sale 2023. And it was a limited edition exclusive for that sale only. And I picked up a few, and this is the process to make these. However, you can use it for any kind of a decoration or wood object you may have. So in the kit, you get this little wooden gnome, and he's all layered up so that he will stand up. And then this is his wooden sign that slides in the front here so that he can hold a variety of sayings. And they also give you a stamp set, which includes all of the sayings for the year, and it's called Year-Round Celebrations. It was only available then, you can't get it now, but it has them New Year, Hugs and Kisses for Valentine's, Back to School, Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. They're very nice. It's just a cute little sign that you can put on your desk, or something to brighten your day, as I love projects that I make that are useful that I can put out to display. So he's really cute, and he has little lines on him. So you could paint this, which is what I did, or you can use the SVG files that Close to My Heart sent to you when you bought this to cut out paper and use pattern paper. You could also trace them on the pattern paper and then cut it out and put it on that way. So you could do it without the SVGs. I like painting, so that's what I did. And then I stamped all of these onto white paper and layered them on some colored cardstock. I painted this white, and so he'll be on display. And then I made a little pocket on the back of him to hold all of the little pieces of paper so that I can just pull out the one I want to put in the front, and they're right there handily available. So this is him. Oh, and they came loose. And what I did was I used some chalk paint, and I painted them. I used some of our texture paste to add a little texture to his hat. And I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe not. But there's some texture on his hat and on his mustache. And I painted his skin tone. I gave his hands a little shadowing with the green. I kept with the green theme because it's March when I did this project. And I did his little feet, his boots, and I added some gloss to them to make them shiny. And of course this is going to be covered up with the sign, so I didn't want to embellish this too much to take away from the rest of the design. So on the back, I did cover it with paper for this, but I made a little pocket, and I will show you how I did that. So it's folded so that it will expand enough to hold the cards, and then I just glued it on, and they tuck right in like that. So when he stands up, all the cards are right there. And I didn't embellish the cards too much. This is going to be given away at a retreat so that they can embellish the cards how they want. You can add flowers, color the designs. They're very plain right now, and you can cut them down, add a flower or pumpkin to it, for trick or treat for Halloween. You could put the month on them, all kinds of different things to decorate. So I left them pretty plain. And that is those. I did do some dry brushing effects on the back of him just to make it interesting. I did do a little bit around here too. I sanded it off to make it distressed. Really like how it came out. Sorry about the dogs barking, but because it's March, that's why I put this one in here, and I just painted the wood portion white, and that'll slide in there like that. So cute. I was very happy with how he came out, and I hope whoever gets him will love him as much as I do.